Hello, welcome to Bodhanath Stupa. This is UNESCO World Heritage Site. It was built in 5th century AD by King Manadeva. This is in Nepali architecture. So it has 13 rings, but it has the steps. So it's a big Tibetan community living area. Now every festival time this is being decorated with the limestone and saffron flower. So now there is a prayer going on. But if I tell you more about the story, King Manadeva built this one. And mostly the trekkers, mountaineers, hikers, climbers, they come and show the great respect to this stupa. It is said it has relics of Guru Padmasambhava, the Tibetan master inside. It has 16 corners, 704 prayer wheels of 4 different types, 145 feet tall from the wall to the top. This was a bit destroyed by the earthquake 2015, April 25th, and now this has been restored. Yeah, that's all. We'll be visiting here, walking around and see something more. So this is the main temple. Originally the temple is from 2nd century BC. They never use kerosene, fuel, petrol, something like that. They always use the straw. It makes more smoke, and the smoky air cremates faster.
So you said they burn up to 160 bodies a day?
Yeah, in a very busy day. Like the guy below.
Welcome to Nagarkot. This is the view from my guest house's balcony, as you can see here, and it is incredible. Sadly it's a bit hazy at the moment, so you can't see much, but I've got an hour to rest, and then we are going to go check out the sunset, which is really early. It's about 5:30 here, and hopefully it's going to clear up a bit, but yeah, fingers crossed.
Hello, today we are going to do a hiking from Nagarkot to Changunarayan. So today's plan means the hiking is about 4 hours because we have already walked half an hour from Nagarkot. And yeah, it's all greenery. You please see the paddy field. Though it's not very clear day, but hopefully till we reach to the Changunarayan, it will be sunny, more bright. But it's a lovely hiking, easy hiking. We'll be visiting Buddhist like stupa, small stupas, and then Buddhist image where there is Sakyamuni Buddha, and then many Tamang villages. So we go down to Telkot and then go through the forest, like 25 minutes walk, then to Changunarayan. Changunarayan is UNESCO World Heritage Sites.
So their house was destroyed in the earthquake,
yeah,
and this is all they were able to rebuild.
Yeah,
something smells strange, yeah.
Smell is strange.
Yeah.
This is fermented wine, local made fermented wine.
I thought it smelled of alcohol, and I thought I was going crazy.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. I finally made it, and believe it or not, it is sunny. I know you can't see much of a view because it's all overblown, but the view here is incredible. It's all the hills rolling, and there's even the Himalayas peeking in and out of the clouds. So I'm going to shower, and then in about an hour we're going to try and trek up and get a nice viewpoint for the sunset.
This is third day, means we have hiked completely 2 days, and today we walked from Dhulikhel to Panauti. So we passed through the Nama Buddha monastery, which is a really nice Tibetan monastery. There were monks doing prayer today. Luckily we were there in the hall where the many monks were doing prayers.
Down here, all the way, and then through the fields to Panauti.
Yeah.
Okay, we still got a way to go then.
Hello, now we have come to Panauti. This is Panauti. You could see the temple clearly. There is Indreshwar, and this is the confluence of two rivers, Punnimati and Rosi. In total like 6 hours we have walked.